Hello and welcome to Logan's channel, and today we would be unboxing a superhero car today. Or should I say plane.
What is it?
It's the Batplane.
Right.
And it seems that our birthday's in 2 months and I'm already getting one of these. I just wanted to get one to tide me over for 2 months.
Your other one's different colour though, isn't it?
Yeah, my other one is grey. So let's start unboxing. Aha! Got in. Oh, come on, plastic wrapper. It's got some plastic on it.
Is it?
It's like this plastic cast. Oh look, it came with this stand
Wow.
for it. But here's the plane. It's actually quite heavy.
Is it?
It's a bit heavy actually. Heavier than my other ones. And I think it should look a bit like this after it's done.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Batman would be happy with me now.
Would he?
Yeah. I've even got him 5 cars coming his way.
Right.
So, and most of all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. Bye!